Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Webflow CMS for scalable content marketing, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Webflow CMS for scalable content marketing, begin by logging into your Webflow account. Select the project where you want to implement the CMS. Navigate to the designer view. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the CMS collections icon. Click the New Collection button to create a new content type. Name your collection based on the type of content you plan to publish, such as blog posts or products. Add relevant fields to your collection. Make sure each field corresponds to the information you want to display. Set the field types appropriately to ensure compatibility with your content. Once your fields are added, click Create Collection to finalize the setup. Next, go back to the designer view and add a new page for your collection. Use the Pages panel to create a dynamic page linked to your CMS collection. Drag and drop CMS elements from the Add panel onto your new page. Connect these elements to the fields in your collection for seamless data integration. Design your dynamic page to reflect your brand's aesthetics. Now, return to the CMS Collections panel to start adding your content. Click on your collection to access the Add New button. Fill in the fields you've created with your content, ensuring to include high-quality images and well-written descriptions. After adding your content, you can organize it by utilizing categories or tags appropriate for your marketing strategy. Consider implementing SEO best practices by setting up custom slugs and meta descriptions for each item. To ensure scalability, regularly monitor your content's performance using Webflow's built-in analytics tools. Finally, create a content calendar to schedule regular updates and new additions to your CMS. Regularly review and refine your CMS setup to adapt to changing marketing needs and trends. With these steps, your Webflow CMS will be configured for scalable content marketing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.